Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Akilah binti Mak Saleh. I want to tell about our project, which the title is the relationship between the size of land and the price of the land in Kuala, Terengganu. I want to introduce my members. First, Nina Shakina binti Ibrahim, and second, me, Siti Nur Akilah binti Mak Saleh, and third, No Aisyah Najiha binti Jafar, and the fourth, Nur Aina binti Kamal. We also use mudah.my for the real estate agency. For the introduction, nowadays the purchase of land is very important for us to compare price of that we are not easily deceived by a few irresponsible people who like to distort the fact. Therefore, we need to know the price of the land according to the specific acres because they are also unreasonable land price according to the acres that has been set because some are at a high price rate and some are also at a price rate that is too low to make sense. As smart buyers, we need to be smart in buying and selling so that we are not easily deceived, especially when buying land. For the objective, first, we also evaluate the factors that contribute to the increase in land price. For the second, we analyze how location affect the sales value of land. Third, we evaluate land valuation methods using in sales and purchase transaction.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Jafar. So today I will present about data collection. As you can see, this is a collection of data that has been created by my group. For this data collection, we decide to collect data through Google Mudah.my. From Google Mudah.my, we select for place name, land size, and price land. All part of the data collection process. And then you can see X represent for size, Y represent for price.
Hi, my name is Noraina binti Kamal. So the figure show is the summation of the price of land and the area of land in Kuala Terengganu. Right, next is the scatter plot with a graph of the regression line. So the diagram shows the relationship between the size of land and the price of land in Kuala Terengganu. So for this data, for the dependent variable, it was the size of the land, while the independent data for this for the independent variable of this data is the price of land. So as you can see, the diagram show when the size of land increase, so the price of land also increase. Next is the value of the correlation coefficient R and interpretation of its meaning. So value of the correlation coefficient R show that there is a strong positive linear correlation between the price of land and the area of land at positively 0.7815. Alright, for the equation of the regression line, it was obtained to find the relationship of the price of land to the size of land in Kuala Terengganu. So for the result of A is the value of price of land where the regression line intersect with the y-axis, while the B result is the slope of regression line whereby the change of area or size of land will change the price of land in Kuala Terengganu. So the result of A, it was negative 93.045, and for the result of P is 0.3081. So the equation of regression line is 0.3081x plus negative 93.045.
Hi, my name is Nonina Shakina binti Ibrahim and I will continue my group presentation. So, this is an example of prediction using the regression equation. So, our group has estimated the price of land that has land size of 1,500 acres. As a result, the land size of 1,500 acres is expected to cost 369.105 ringgit Malaysia. Next, discussion of the slope of the regression line and its meaning. On the average, for each additional increase of 1 acre in size of land, the price for land is expected to increase by Rm 0.3081 thousand. So this is the value of R square for the regression model and interpretation of its meaning. R square is 0.6107. So this implies that 61.07% of the variation in price of land is mainly due to their size of land. Expected finding. The statistical analysis supported our expected finding. It is because from the process of collecting and analyzing data, we have realized that the size of land will impact the price of land. Where we can see when the land size is increased, the price of land also increase. From the analysis, we are able to identify the pattern and the trend of that data.
The last but not least, for the conclusion. In the conclusion, which the result we obtain in correspondence to the result we had hoped for in this study, which is the size of the land that will affect the price of land in Kuala Terengganu. The population of this study is as many as 13 different land size, and the largest the land size, the highest the land size. From every statistical analysis that we have conducted in the study, all of them have shown the independent variable x, which is the size of the land, had a great influence of the price of the land, which is dependent variables also y. The scatter plot shows a positive linear relationship between the two variables. There is a strong positive linear correlation between the two variables. The variable and the slope of the regression line show how much we can expect y to change as x increase by following the relationship between land size and land price. Finally, with this study, it has been shown that the relationship between land size and land price in Kuala Terengganu. That's all from me. Thank you.